Today I thought I would share one of the simpler house projects I did recently, and this is our floating bedside tables. Gorathon and I have downsized so much over the last year that we didn't need or really want our bedside tables for storage anymore. We just needed space to put a book, an alarm clock, or maybe a small pile of clothes, and also this way it meant that we could actually access the storage under the bed without having to move the entire unit, so it worked perfectly for what we needed. To make this, all I used were three things: a cheap set of brackets from Aldi, some small screws, a piece of shishim wood from a unit that I'd managed to save from the dump, which someone was just throwing away, and that's pretty much it. I picked out the piece that I wanted from the unit that I'd taken apart, sanded it down, took all the nails out, rounded the edges, and then screwed the brackets on. In the end, I did two different versions of this. My husband's one just used two brackets and was just screwed into the side of the bed so that it was fixed and level with the side of the bed. Mine, I wanted a bit of flexibility, so I wanted to be able to remove it in case I ever needed a cot next to the bed or anything like that. But if I was to do it again, I would do it differently, and this bracket I would move further back, and those two brackets which are over the edge would move forward. That way it wouldn't seesaw like it does now. To be honest, unless I'm actually putting my weight on it and deliberately trying to rock it from side to side, it doesn't move, but it's just a small detail that I wish I would have thought of at the time. But other than that, it does the job perfectly, so I'm not going to change it.